Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and connectivity. Plug in the charger and connect to Wi-Fi so the process won't abort. Next, backup contacts and photos to avoid data loss because account removal can trigger factory prompts. Then enable developer options. Tap MIUI build 7 times. Make sure USB debugging is accessible. Once done, prepare a PC with ADB tools and confirm you can see the device in a DB devices. These steps let you proceed with confidence and tools ready. Now you perform the central actions. Reboot into bootloader with a DB reboot bootloader, and if bootloader locked, follow official unlock steps. Note unlocking may wipe the device. Flash a custom recovery or sideload a verified FRP bypass package. This allows running the account removal script. If you still have settings access, remove the Google account there to avoid FRP. Make sure each command returns OK and device stays connected. If any step fails, do not force power off. Troubleshoot connection or drivers first. Finish by rebooting the phone into the system and complete the initial setup. Make sure no Google account prompt requests previous credentials. After successful removal, perform a factory reset to clear caches and confirm a clean state. Verify settings right arrow accounts shows no linked Google account. If you encounter a persistent lock or error, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reconnect with a different USB cable and reinstall ADB/fastboot drivers on the PC, then repeat the ADB sequence. Often connection issues are the hidden culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.